TPI repair method can be used on picked paper or pulp insulated air core cables and lead or poly sheaths, including Stelpat, PASP, ASP, or Alpat. Repairs can be completed on any size cable. Clean sheaths 12 inches either side of damage using an approved cleaner or wipe provided in the kit. Do not card or scuff plastic sheath. Lead sheaths can be carded or shaved clean. Should damage include more than 40% of the through conductor, strain relief must be installed to restore sheath integrity. Wrap damaged core with muslin if the damaged cable is pulp or paper. If the damage is pick, wrap with clear wrap. Minimal conductor damage can also be repaired and contained under the muslin or clear wrap. If cable pressure cannot be bled down, a vent tube must be installed. Center the vent tube directly on the core of the cable and wrap clear wrap tightly around the core with 2 half-lap layers. Starting and ending 3 inches beyond sheath opening damage, wrap a single layer of half-lap sealant strip. When vent tube has been reached, pinch sealant up on the tube. Install 2 half-lap layers of DR tape under continuous tension, starting and ending 1 inch left of center, extending 3 inches beyond each end of sealant. Wrap a half-lap layer of 2-inch DR tape in a Z fashion. When vent tube is reached, pinch the DR tape up around it and complete the DR installation. Over the DR tape, place 2 half-lap layers of pressure tape under continuous tension, starting and finishing just outside the DR tape wrap. When reaching vent tube, pinch pressure tape up onto vent tube. Pull out and discard vent tube. Pliers may be necessary. Twist and lift up. Form a sealant square 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch by 1/4 inch thick. Tuck sealant square on the back edge of the vent hole. If air pressure is not entirely bled off, strictly adhere to instruction sheet steps 7, 8, and 9. Wrap pressure tape around repair so it will be centered at vent hole. Hold the roll of pressure tape in one hand and pull the tape over sealant strip. With the thumb of the other hand, press the sealant strip square down into the vent hole. Wrap around the repair, keeping tape under tension. If local practices require, add 1/2 lap layer of aluminum tape or approved aluminum moisture barrier sheeting. Just outside aluminum tape or pressure tape, place 2 layers of sealant strip forming a collar. Continue up repair 4 inches with a single layer of sealant material. Select a piece of sleeving material to extend beyond sealant collars, overlapping itself at least 1 1/2 inches. Use additional piece if needed for a larger size repair. Keeping under tension, install sleeving while forming smoothly around repair wrap. Over sleeving, place and hand tighten securely wide cable tie. Space to match circular marks on sleeving or approximately 2 inches apart. Wrap ties in the same direction as the sleeving was installed. Cable tie tightening tool can also be used, but take caution not to compress sleeving over 1/4 inch. Trim off cable tie tails. Tape ends of sleeving tightly with end tape out onto cable sheet.